Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to work with dates in Google Sheets, especially when your year, month, and day values are all in separate columns, then today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to combine those separate numbers into a proper date using the super handy date function, which means your spreadsheets will be much more organized, flexible, and ready for any kind of data analysis or reporting you want to do. Let's dive in. Picture this. You've got a set of data with the year, the month, and the day all split out into different columns. Maybe you exported this data from some system, or maybe someone else sent it to you this way. At first, this might feel a little overwhelming or awkward if you want to work with dates, but don't worry. Google Sheets has a built-in function called Date that makes this really easy to handle. Here how it works. In your sheet, you'll want to choose a cell where you want Google Sheets to display the full date using the year, month, and day values you already have. Let's say you want to pull those together in cell D2. Click into D2. Now we need to enter our date function. The basic structure is equals date, year, month, day, but we're going to use cell references, not just random numbers, so it dynamically picks up the values right from your row. Suppose your year is in column A, your month in column B, and your day in column C. In that case, your formula in D2 will look like this. Equals date A2 B2 C2. Go ahead and type that into D2. Don't worry if you're not sure which columns your values are in. Just make sure the cell references inside the formula match the position of your year, month, and day columns. For example, if your year is in G, your month in H, and your day in I, you'd write equals date G2 H2 I2 instead. This flexibility is one of the best parts about formulas in Google Sheets. You can always adjust them to fit your setup. Now, once you've typed your formula, press Enter. Instantly, Google Sheets will take those separate numbers and produce a single, properly formatted date in your D2 cell. It really is that quick. If it doesn't look like a date at first, maybe you just see a number, don't panic. Just select the cell, go to Format in the menu, choose Number, and then Date. That'll force Sheets to recognize and display it as a readable date. But here's the best part, you don't need to retype this formula for every single row. Instead, just click on the lower right corner of D2, you'll see a little blue square known as the fill handle. Click and drag it down alongside your list of years, months, and days. Google Sheets will automatically update the formula for each row, grabbing the right values and filling in all the dates for you. This takes just a few seconds, but it's a real-time saver, especially if you're working with a lot of rows. One thing to keep in mind, if you get an error or if a date looks strange, double-check your year, month, and day values to make sure they're valid. Sometimes typos or missing numbers can throw things off. For example, February doesn't have a 30th day, so entering that would result in an error. Google Sheets usually lets you know when something isn't quite right, so just take a moment to look things over if anything seems off. And that's all there is to it. With the date function, what seemed like a mess of numbers is now a series of clean, useful dates you can sort, analyze, or use in other formulas. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it made your life a little easier, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about using the date function or anything else in Google Sheets, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.